Feeling sluggish? You're not alone. Many people wake up feeling like they haven't slept at all, even after a full night's rest. Do you ever wake up feeling tired? It's a common issue that affects people of all ages and backgrounds. Do you struggle to focus during the day? This lack of energy can make it hard to concentrate on tasks, whether at work or at home. Many people experience these things. You are not alone. Fatigue and sluggishness are widespread issues that can affect anyone. This sluggish feeling can be frustrating. It can make even the simplest tasks feel like a huge effort. It can impact your daily life, from your productivity at work to your interactions with family and friends. Feeling sluggish can take a toll, but there is hope. We can explore ways to feel more energized and vibrant. Simple changes in your daily routine, like better sleep habits, a balanced diet, and regular exercise, can make a big difference. Why do we feel sluggish? Why is there inflammation in our bodies? Toxins might be the answer. Toxins are everywhere. They're in our food, water, and air. Our bodies work hard to get rid of them, but sometimes they need a little help. Here's where our detox drink comes in. This drink is packed with natural ingredients. These ingredients work together. They help your body remove toxins. A clearer mind is possible. You can support your thyroid health too. Identifying the troublemakers: heavy metals, mold, and pesticides. We've talked about toxins in general, but now let's dive deeper into some specific ones that can wreak havoc on our health. But what are they exactly? How do they enter our bodies? And what kind of damage can they cause? Heavy metals like mercury, lead, and arsenic can build up in your body over time. These metals can come from various sources such as contaminated water, certain fish, and even some household products. Mold exposure, often from damp environments or spoiled food, can lead to respiratory issues, allergic reactions, and other health problems. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a serious health risk. Pesticides, commonly found on non-organic produce, are chemicals used to kill pests. However, they can also be harmful to humans, potentially causing a range of health issues from hormone disruption to cancer. These toxins can affect your thyroid, a crucial gland that regulates metabolism, energy levels, and overall hormonal balance. Disruption in thyroid function can lead to a host of health issues. They can increase inflammation throughout your body, contributing to chronic conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and even digestive problems. Understanding these toxins is the first step in protecting your health. Nature's powerhouse, Unveiling the Detox. Drink ingredients. Let's meet the stars of our detox drink. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant. Fennel seeds help with digestion. Apple cider vinegar can aid in detoxification. Turmeric fights inflammation. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels. Ginger soothes the stomach. Your path to revitalization, the detox drink recipe. Ready to feel amazing? This drink is designed to cleanse your body, boost your energy, and improve your overall well-being. Let's dive into the details of this powerful detox drink. Here's the recipe. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and helps to flush out toxins from your body. Next, add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are known for their digestive benefits and can help reduce bloating. Then, include 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This ingredient is great for balancing your body's pH levels and aiding in weight loss. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that supports your immune system. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder is next. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and has antibacterial properties. Finally, add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger aids in digestion and has anti-inflammatory effects. Instructions: brew the green tea and let it cool. This step is crucial as hot tea can destroy some of the beneficial properties of the other ingredients. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. This ensures that all the ingredients are well mixed and you get a consistent flavor in every sip. Enjoy this drink daily and see the difference. Regular consumption can lead to improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a clearer mind. Cheers to your health and vitality. There you have it. Are you ready to kickstart your health journey? Try this detox drink recipe and experience the benefits yourself. We'd love to hear your feedback. Share your experience with us and let us know how this drink has transformed your well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes.